When it comes to any tactical mission or wilderness survival, precision and performance are everything. There's no room for error. That's why tactical military gear stands out, built for reliability, tested for the field, and offering solid performance without breaking the bank. So in today's video, we're bringing you tactical military gear and gadgets you should check out. Updated price and purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. So without further ado, let's begin. In critical moments where precision and reliability are essential, the Steiner Optics MPS micro pistol sight stands out with its battle-proven durability and mil-spec ruggedness. Constructed entirely of metal with enhanced sidewalls, it fully seals the emitter and features a recessed window with a metal hood to protect the front lens, making it one of the toughest sights available. Weighing just 2 ounces or 58 grams, the MPS offers top-tier Steiner glass quality and includes 8 brightness levels and an impressive 13,000-hour battery life. Its one-time magnification provides an undistorted image, allowing for both eyes open operation and complete situational awareness. Designed to fit an acro footprint, it's compatible with most optic-ready pistols. The MPS is built to withstand harsh environments, with a shock-resistant design and a water pressure-tight laser emitter. The 3.3 MOA dot ensures quick and accurate target acquisition, while the easily accessible battery compartment allows for hassle-free battery changes without dismounting the sight. A flashing red light alerts when the battery is low, ensuring you're always prepared. The Steiner Optics MPS is quite a reliable companion for those who demand durability, clarity, and reliability in their shooting experience. When the stakes are high and every movement counts, the right gear makes all the difference. The 511 TAC A2 gloves are a top choice for law enforcement officers and special operators worldwide, designed for superior comfort and enhanced dexterity in any operational setting. Featuring the patented Tactical Touch Precision fingertip design, these gloves provide exceptional tactility and protection. The breathable stretch nylon back panel keeps hands cool and dry, while reinforced finger joints and synthetic leather grip pads protect against lacerations and abrasions. An integrated sweat wipe on the thumb and a reliable neoprene hook and loop closure add convenience and security. Lightweight and fast drying, with a synthetic leather suede palm and reinforced thumb saddle, the TAC A2 gloves ensure a strong grip and durability for any mission, making them a tactically sound companion for professionals who seek reliable gear. Made in the United States, the Spartan Armor Leonidas Legend ticks every mark when it comes to your ballistic protection. Crafted with lightweight squadron laser-cut laminate material over a Cordura 500D body, this plate carrier delivers unmatched durability and comfort. Enhanced padding in the front, back, and shoulders, along with high-density foam standoffs, ensures superior comfort and air circulation during prolonged use. The fully adjustable cummerbund, offering 7 levels of adjustment, fits various body types from large to 3XL and includes a quick-release system for swift donning and doffing. The Leonidas Legend is equipped with MOL side plate pouches for 6x6-inch or 6x8-inch armored plates. It also features multi-directional laser-cut webbing on the shoulder pads and a reinforced rear drag handle, maximizing versatility and robustness. This is 100% Berry compliant. Also, the carrier stands as a top choice for law enforcement, military personnel, and concerned citizens, ensuring protection and readiness for any mission. In intense tactical scenarios where precision and durability are at the peak, basic gear performance can't be compromised, especially when it comes to pants. So, take a look at the Pentagon Tactical IPO pants that are engineered for those who demand the best in both ruggedness and comfort. Crafted from a 65% polyester and 35% cotton ripstop fabric, these pants withstand the toughest conditions while providing unmatched mobility. The YKK main zipper and prime snap button ensure reliability, while triple-stitched stress points add extra resilience. Featuring reinforced knee and seat patches, these pants are built to last. Practicality is key, with a dart pattern waistband for a perfect fit, internal fly button, and elastic bands on the ankles for secure wear. 2 back pockets with hook and loop closures and 2 cargo pockets with YKK zippers offer ample storage for essential tools. Additional features include a fillet pocket patch and a groin utility pocket, ensuring every piece of gear is within reach. The Pentagon Tactical IPO pants combine rugged construction with smart design, making them the ideal choice for any demanding mission. In field operations or wild adventure trips, where adaptability and sufficient storage play vital roles, the Rothco Defender duffel bag stands out as a mission-ready companion. This bag offers an unbelievable amount of storage, with multiple compartments to organize and store gear efficiently. Its double zipper, U-shaped main compartment allows quick and easy access to the contents, while the expandable gear compartment is perfect for boots, helmets, and other bulky items. Measuring 28 by 14 by 10 inch, this oversized military duffel provides plenty of space for gear. The waterproof PVC reinforced bottom ensures protection from the elements, and the bag features 2 easy zip-up internal dividers with hard plastic inserts for versatile organization. With 2 hidden adjustable backpack straps, it effortlessly converts into a backpack, ideal for extended travel. Extra features include a document pouch, front identification window, quick-release buckles. Inside the main compartment, carrying handles on the top, front, and back, an adjustable and removable shoulder strap, and multiple zippered pouches for smaller items. The MOLA compatibility and front zippered pouch add to its utility, making the Rothco Defender duffel bag a serious gear hauling solution for any mission. A well-equipped respiratory mask can be a lifesaver for tactical or unwanted tragic situations where shortness of breath is common. The MIRA Safety CM-8M is a full-face personal protective respirator gadget. This high-quality chemical-resistant material respirator provides long-lasting protection and durability. According to some users' experience, they felt it a bit heavier than other respirators they used to, but the assurance of safety it provided was well worth it. Slipping the mask on, it offers pleasantly comfort that is definitely satisfying for sneaky situations. Plus, the adjustable straps and soft inner lining ensured a secure and snug fit, and we could tell that it was designed for extended use. Apart from that, its panoramic visor provided a wide, unobstructed view that would help to tackle everything the user faced. And many users shared that this was a significant improvement compared to the limited visibility they'd experienced with other respirators. Not only that, it could be tailored to different threats and environments, which was crucial in the military line of work. On top of that, the integrated voice diaphragm was another thoughtful addition. This mask allowed users for clear communication while wearing the mask, which was essential during the chaos of a real spill. You might face tactical sneaky situations either in a hike, outdoor camping, or professional job for different reasons. As we know, life is full of uncertainty with versatile purposes and visions, which vary person to person. That's why we need to upgrade ourselves from time to time. And the 511 Tactical AMP12 backpack is a true workhorse that's designed to keep up all essentials for tackling those certainties with your active lifestyle. For outdoorsmen, this backpack can handle the rough terrain and carry all gear and gadgets. Also, this water-resistant 500D nylon-made backpack is tough enough to sustain any tricky situation. Despite its rugged construction, the AMP12 is surprisingly lightweight, which is an amiable feature for the long hike. One of the standout features of the AMP12 is its innovative gear set system, where it came with a removable gear set that can be reconfigured to suit different missions or daily activities. Plus, you can customize the backpack to your specific necessities, whether you are heading out for a hike or commuting to work. With a huge storage space and multiple compartments, you have everything set out, all essentials for anything. If you ever need to carry a weapon for security, you'll even have a CCW compartment for concealed carry weapon storage. This was more than enough space for all hiking gear, and you still have room to spare. Comfort is another area where the AMP12 excelled. The backpack has padded shoulder straps, a contoured yoke system, and a back panel with ventilation channels. This ensures maximum comfort and support during prolonged use. You can hike for hours without feeling any strain or discomfort. Conversely, the exterior of the AMP12 features laser-cut mole panels, which allows for additional pouches and accessories to be attached seamlessly. Also, this was a handy feature for attaching things like water bottles or flashlights. In addition, this backpack also has a dedicated hydration compartment, which is essential for staying hydrated during long hikes or sneaky situations to keep yourself calm and intelligent. While the backpack's sleek, low-profile design is another bonus that is suitable for both urban environments and outdoor adventures, making it a versatile choice for my varying needs. For those tactical professionals who perform stunts, calisthenics, either goes for hikes or outdoor camps regularly, they have dire straits of rugged and long-lasting pants. And here comes the UFPro P40 All-Terrain Gen 2, if you demand the most from your gear. The pants can be a reliable companion on a multi-day hiking and camping trip in the mountains. Because the pants can handle the rugged terrain, keep the user comfortable, and provide huge storage with flexibility for all essentials. Plus, these hybrid design pants combine durable ripstop fabric and stretch panels promise excellent freedom of movement and durability, which is crucial for the unwanted sneaky situations ahead. The P40 pants have a built-in knee pad system that is compatible with UFPro Flex pads, offering superior knee protection without compromising comfort. Based on the user's experience, this is a significant improvement compared to the bulky and uncomfortable knee pads they'd used in the past. Also, this one boasts an advanced pocket configuration that provides multiple strategically placed pockets, ensuring easy access and organization of your essentials. Apart from the versatility, these polycotton ripstop fabric and Scholler Dynamic stretch material-made pants, which ensures temperature resistance and moisture management. This can be a lifesaver during unpredictable weather or tactical events when you need to stay dry and comfortable. Additionally, it features a built-in waist adjustment system, which allows for a perfect fit without the need for a belt. As a bonus, you can carry extra gear. When it comes to tactical situations, a knife is the most versatile and adaptable tool, essential for tasks like cutting materials, prepping food, and self-defense. The cold Steel Recon one is that one, which is built to last and perform in the most demanding situations. The triad lock on this knife offers military-grade safety and strength, preventing accidental closure and boosting your confidence during heavy-duty use. Also, the Recon one's G10 handle scales offer a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, making it a reliable tool for sneaky situations. Plus, the Recon one is available in multiple blade shapes, including Tanto, clip point, and spear point, which allows you to choose the best option for your necessities. In our opinion, you can opt for the clip point blade, as it offers a good balance of piercing and slicing capabilities. Additionally, the diamond-like coating on the Recon one's blade enhances its wear resistance and minimizes glare, ensuring the knife stays low during any critical situation. For both tactical situations and health-conscious individuals, a smartwatch on your wrist that can alert you in emergencies and sync your data. So we have the Garmin Tactix 7. This one stands out because of its rugged, multi-sport GPS smartwatch designed for tactical operations and outdoor adventures, offering advanced navigation, fitness tracking, and smart features in a durable and versatile design. If you're out in the field and you need accurate navigation in a challenging environment, the Garmin Tactix 7 solves this by providing multi-GNSS support, topo-active maps, and dual-grid coordinates, ensuring you always know your exact location. What makes it a must-have? The robust build quality meeting military standards, comprehensive navigation systems, tactical functionality like stealth mode and a kill switch, extended battery life, and advanced health and fitness tracking.
Meet the future of tactical gear with the DevTac Ronin, a sleek and futuristic ballistic helmet engineered to excel in even the most challenging and unpredictable situations. Weighing approximately 4.8 pounds, it provides approximately 80% protection to the head. The Ronin helmet features detachable plates that can be switched to different ballistic levels, functions, and designs, caring for both the safety and comfort of the user. Applying Japan-based technology, these plates are attached by bolts or Velcro and are designed to be separate to lessen the kinetic energy from bullet impacts, so that the user feels a low force of collision. Plus, the helmet frame is lightweight and semi-flexible for impact suspension and weighs about 1 kilogram, making it easy to carry for a long-running use. Additionally, it offers additional options such as a head ventilation system with an NVG shroud, a full-piece mandible, and extra blue or clear lenses. It's a common outdoor scenario for varying weather conditions. Sometimes it becomes hard to have accurate vision and tackle situations. Facing similar situations, we've included the ToopMount eyewear to empower your vision in such conditions. For a wide range of outdoor activities, it is a high-quality and versatile pair of shooting glasses that can be usable for regular uses too. It offers superior protection and clarity to tackle every single sneaky moment. On top of that, the semi-rimless frame is customized for a secure and comfortable fit, with adjustable rubber nose pads that prevent slipping even during intense activities. For optimal durability, the lenses are made of impact-resistant polycarbonate material, with a UV protection coating and a thickness of up to 2 millimeters. Along with 3 interchangeable lenses, the eyewear also includes gray lenses for strong light reflection environments, keeping the foggy mornings or nights in consideration. They are also packed with transparency that can work on cloudy or rainy days too.
So that was our video on the tactical military gear and gadgets you should check out. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.